Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have 406 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes. So I'm going to just go over all the numbers that I plan on putting into each one in this video, figuring out the denominations that I plan on asking for when I go to the bank today, and then just getting everything ready for my cash stuffing for this week. This is actually going to be my last cash stuffing before my trip. Is it gonna be? Actually, I might do one more. I think I might do one more because I don't leave until Thursday, so I could do one more. But after that, I won't have like my normal content for a couple weeks while I'm away. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. But I will have other kind of budget content that I'm pre-filming, so that way you can enjoy something while I'm away. So that's my plan. But I am gonna have, I think I will have another cash stuffing for next week. So we'll see. Well, you'll see what I end up posting. But for now, we'll have this one for this week. And then I will figure out what's gonna go in each of these envelopes. So I already know the wallet. The wallet's getting $170 this week. I put the same amounts usually each week in these. So spending will get 30, eating out will get, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, no, I shouldn't. I need to adjust this number actually. I just realized I probably shouldn't put my full 80 into groceries because like I mentioned, I'm going on a trip, so I don't want to get a whole bunch of groceries. My plan is just to eat sandwiches, and then my mom made a big, nice pot of beans. So I'm just going to have like chicken and beans, and then probably like a veggie or a salad for dinner. So I just need to get a rotisserie chicken, which I'll go to Costco and get that, just some veggies or some fruit, and then the sandwich stuff. So I really don't need the full 80 amount. I'll probably do 50. I'll do 50 this week. Okay, so I need to figure out my amounts. So if I do 50, that brings me down to 120 this week for my wallet. So that'll just be a 50. Okay, I need to figure out my denominations because I don't know them. I always do the same one, so I just copy them over. All right, so spending will get 30. So that's a 20 and a 10. Eating out will get 30. That's another 20 and a 10. Groceries will get 50, so I'll just do one $50 bill. Coffee will get 20, but in tens, so that's 2 of those. And then buffer will get 10, so that's 1 5 and 1 and 5 ones. Okay, so that's 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35. Oh no, I messed up. 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. How am I messing up? I messed up. Did I just do the wrong amount? Oh, goodness. This is wrong. I'm only taking away 30. My goodness. So yeah, that's right. So 150. So 10, 20, 50. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. My mind is like messed up right now. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 140. Yeah, that makes sense. If I have 80, I'm leaving 50. That's minus 30. I just can't do math. So 140 is how much is going in my envelope. So sorry for that. Just had a little moment. But yeah, I think that'll be better because then I'll probably have some leftover money. If I do that, I'll definitely have leftover money. Because like I said, I'm not trying to buy a whole week's worth of groceries. So probably 50 is way more than I actually need for what I plan on buying. But I'd rather have more than less. And then whatever I have left over, I'll just put into savings. So I think it should be fine. Okay, so that gives me an extra 30 bucks to work into these amounts. So that's good. So that's minus 140. Okay, 140 will go in my wallet this week. All right, next I'm gonna go down into my binders. Oh, actually I want to do my high priority ones right now, which are, I'll do extra savings. I'll put 20 in here. I think 20 should be fine. Month ahead, we'll get 20. And go wild. This one right here, we'll get 20 and go wild. And then I want to do one more envelope, which is my savings challenge. This roll the dice one right here, which if you're interested in purchasing this, it's in my shop right now. Finally released those in my shop. But if you do plan on purchasing this, do it soon because I plan on closing my shop while I am away on my trip. So I need to get all the orders shipped out. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna roll to see what I am going to put in here. So I have 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is the little ice cream. So that is 4. I'm gonna roll twice. I'll roll twice on this one. So that's 4. One more roll. So that's 6 and 5, which ice cream again. Okay, so that's 4. So I'm putting 8 in this challenge here. $8. All right, so that one's done. I'll come back to this in a bit. All right, now into the envelopes. Auto this week, I will put 10 in here. Still in frame. Electronics will get 5 this week. I'm gonna put a lot of 5s in things. Emergency will get 10. Already did that one. Furniture will get 5. Already did that one. Rainy day will get 5. Registrations are fully funded. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions will get 5. Travel, I'll put 10 in here. Okay, so that one's done. Next one. Beauty will get 5. Clothing, I'll put 10 in this one. Costco will get 5. Family, 10. I only have $1 in there. Gifts will get 5. Home, 5. Household, I know the only thing I need to get right now is detergent. I have 25, so I'll just put 5 in here. That's more than enough. Pantry's fully funded, so I don't have to worry about that one. And Target will just get 5 this week. Okay, I have one more binder and then the rest of my savings challenges. Ready to go wild. Disneyland will get 5. I've been seeing like posts of new items that have released at Disney, and there's a couple things I already want. I'm not gonna be able to go for like a month. So I'm hoping when I go, it'll be there. So we'll see. Treat yourself, I'll put 10 in here. Fun. I'll put 5. Hobbies will get 5. Christmas will get 5. Holiday decor, I'm gonna put 10 in here only because I just spent a decent amount from this envelope. My plan is to have a Christmas tree in my office, so it'll be a brand new tree, brand new ornaments, because I'll have a different theme from the other trees in my place. I'm gonna have 3 trees, one in my room, one in my living room, and one in my office. And this one's gonna be Disney themed. So when I was at Disney last weekend, they had a bunch of cute ornaments. They always have ornaments all year round, but they had some really adorable ones. So I bought those. Maybe I'll insert a picture. They were a pretty penny because there was like literally one ornament was like $25. So, but they're too adorable. And my tree's not gonna be that big, so I won't need too many of them. But I did spend from holiday decor from that money. So to buy that stuff. And I still need to get the tree. So yeah. All right, so now into my challenges. I have $48 left. So I'm thinking this one, I will just put 10 this week. This one I'll put 10. That leaves me with 28, which I could put, let me see, here's the cash stash. Oh, I haven't moved it over from last month. Let me move it. Where is it? Okay. So, this is the cash stash one that I'm working on. And I'm just going to put 10 in this one. And yeah, I'll do 10. 10 in this one. That leaves me with 18. So I'm thinking, I still have the dollar challenge, but I still have like $15 I could put into other envelopes. So I'm thinking that's what I'll do. I will put, okay, I'm going to do treat yourself because I'm going to use this on my trip. So I'm going to put 15 in this one. So that's an extra 5. And then I'm going to do family, another 5 in there. So that's 15. And then I want to do, hold on, there was one. Oh, holiday decor, I'll do 15. Okay, and then the 3 I'll put in savings. Okay, so that should be the full 406 for this week. I'm just gonna double check my numbers. All right, my numbers look good, so now I can figure out the denominations. So auto is gonna be a $10 bill, then 5, and then a 10. This one is 20, 5, a 20. Okay, I have a few 5s here. Then 10, 5, 10, 5. 15 for family, that's 10 and a 5, 5, a few 5s here, 20, 5, 15, so 10 and a 5, some more 5s here, 15, 10 and a 5, 10, 10, 8, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm going to count the tallies. So 50, I just need 150. 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10s, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then 1s, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and then I'm just going to multiply these. So that's 50. 5 times 20 is 100. And then 14 times 10 is 140. And then 21 times 5 is 105 and 11. Okay, now to add this up, 50, 100, 140, 105, and 11, 406. Perfect. All right, so that's what I will be asking for. These are the amounts I'm asking for when I go to the bank. So 50s, I will get a 1. 20s, I'm getting 5 of those for $100. 10s, I need 14 of those, 140. 5s, 21, that's 105. And then 1s, I need 11, and that's $11, total of 406. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, even with all my little mistakes at the beginning. Hopefully you did. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'll be cash stuffing this. tomorrow, so Sunday morning. So definitely check that video out. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you won't miss that video. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.